Okay friends, so in this video we are going to learn all about the advanced filter, a very interesting topic, and here I will show you how the advanced filter works. Normally, how do you do the filter? We put the cursor and then we press a shortcut Ctrl Shift L, and then you come over here and you filter on, let's say, Ajman. In Ajman you wanted to filter on Aspen. This is the way normally you do the filter, right? Or you go to the data and you do the filter. But what if you wanted to create for your user a place where they can just type the conditions, criteria, click on advanced filter, and everything is done? So let me show you some interesting point how it works. Let me delete this column. The first step is this, friends. I will try to insert few rows on the top. So I will just say right click and I will say insert, and I'm inserting few rows. Yes, you can press Ctrl plus or Ctrl Shift plus as a shortcut. So let's say I have inserted few rows and I will select the heading of this and I paste over here. So this is my criteria area and this is my actual data, and what I need over here is some interesting way that whenever management will type over here city name and they click on advanced filter, automatically it should filter on that condition. He can put city, he can put product, he can put payment, next time he can change anything. So I'm just deleting all these things. We will go in detail. Okay, I will not just show you only one option, but we'll go in more detail. So let me delete all these things, and let's say I wanted to put only this criteria. So the first step will be I will put my cursor inside the data, and then you will go to the data tab, and in data tab you will see this area filter. Okay, and over here you get an option advanced. I will click on this advanced and you will see this screen. Let me move it little bit up from this scroll bar so you can see both, and let's understand the options over here. First it says filter the list in place. It means it will filter here only. Another option is copy to another location. It means when a data gets filtered on this condition, it should copy to another location. Like I want it in this column. You can't take this data into the another file, friends, okay, or another sheet. You have to do it in a same sheet only. Remember this small point. So as of now, I will give you an example of filter the list. You will select this, and he's saying list range means where is your data. So you see, this is your data. He has already selected the data. Make sure you don't have a blank row. If he has not selected, then manually you can select the data. So list range is the place, the data which you wish to filter. Criteria means what? Condition. So my condition is city Dubai, product, payment. So I can select like this also, no problem. Okay, but what I have done, in future they can say, okay, I want sale something like this, customer age should be this, date should be this. So hence I have put all the columns so that they can put any of the criteria. So I will select this entire this. So now here you might ask, okay Ramzan, if I put city in the end, sales is over here, no problem, doesn't matter, he will take it. Okay, I have put it in sequence, same like my below data, but if you put here and there, it's okay. But remember, spelling should be correct. Don't make here you have written city and here you have written cities. It will not take. Here you have payment method with space, here payment method without space. It will not take. Okay, so I have said list, criteria, that's all, and I just say okay. So now what it will do, it will filter on Dubai, product Aspen, and payment discover, and I say okay, that's all. Wow, so you see Dubai, Aspen, and discover. Now you will say, no Ramzan, I want over here for example Sharjah. So I just type Sharjah. You will come here and you just have to go to advanced filter, and everything is set. You don't have to do anything. I come over here, it is from the top, and you just say okay, Sharjah came. Sharjah, Aspen and Discover. Again I go over here. No, I have not changed. Let's say I need Ajman over here. So I say Ajman. I come over here and I click on advanced filter and I just have to say okay. Oh, there is nothing for Ajman, Aspen and Discover. Okay, let me delete this criteria, two criteria, and let me try. I cleared the filter by pressing Ctrl Shift L and I say advanced and I say I just need only, wow, so you have Ajman. Okay, in Ajman I need, for example, Aspen. So now let me give two condition, Aspen. Again I come over here, advanced filter, and I say okay. So Ajman with Aspen. In that again I wanted to see, for example, for visa, or let's say I want only the coupon records, COUPON. And here you can create drop down also if you know the data validation. And again I go over here, so now it will filter only on the coupon. Is not this interesting, friends? This is a part of an advanced filter. Now I will show you one more interesting thing. I want over here this visa, and I want when it gets filtered like this, it should not filter in place. It should copy this data over here, so that I can quickly copy and send it to my management. Okay, so how do we do that? Simple. I come over here and you will say, hey, do the advanced filter. Okay, so you have selected the criteria, list range is done, but here you will make only one small change. Instead of filter, you will say copy to the other location. When you say copy, see, this will become enabled. If you click on filter, this is disabled. So I click on copy and you have to click over here, copy to. Where to copy? Hey, I need over here. And you will say, okay, that's all this filter data will be presented over here. Just copy it, paste it in a new file and give it to your management. So this was about the advanced filter, friends. Okay, thank you so much and make sure you practice this.